The points A and B are -6, 4 and -2, 7 respectively. So we're talking about these 2 points. A is -6, 4, and B, that is a -2, 7. So we've got these 2 points, and the question continues. Find the equation of the perpendicular line to the line AB through the point B. So in our thinking, we will say this is point A, and B is right here. So there is a line which is joining these 2 points. We know, of course, that this is -6, 4, while this is -2, 7. So what they want us to find, they want us to find equation of this line at B. So the line which is going to form a 90 degrees. Okay. Without wasting our time, we'll first find the gradient. So we shall say M is equal to y subscript 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. This is the equation, the formula we shall use to find gradient of this line. And the same gradient, when we find it, is what we are going to use to find the equation of this line. Okay. So let's go to this point where there are points. We will say this is our x1, y1, x2, and y2. So now we plug in our formula. What is our y2? That is 7 minus y1, it's a 4, over x2 -2 minus x1, it's a -6, so it will be inside the brackets. So remember, when finding gradient and you meet negative numbers after the minus sign, they must always be inside the brackets. So this will give us a 3 over -2 plus a 6, which is equal to 3 over a 4. -2 plus 6, it will give us a 4. So now from this point, we can say our M1 is equal to -4 over a 3. So let me say something here. Look at this. We've found the gradient of this line between A and B. Now that gradient, for it to form a 90 degrees angle here, we must reciprocate it. We must reciprocate. And what I mean is that get this gradient, switch, flip. The number that is down goes on top, and what is on top comes down. And this is what we have. You come to the signs. If this is negative, this will be positive. Now, the way it is, it's positive. This will be a negative. Okay. So now we can use formula for finding equation of a straight line. So this is the formula we're going to use. We shall solve for C. Now to solve for C, we'll get one of the points, either this or this. Okay? But let me say something here. Let me say something. I said we'll get either this or this. Not really. In the question, they have specified that equation must pass at point B, meaning we'll get this point, which is point B. So let me write the point B here. So point B is negative 2 comma a 7. So we're going to say our y-axis, it's a 7, equal to our m is negative 4 over 3. Our x here, it's a negative 2 plus a c. We are solving for c. This will be 7 equal to 8 over a 3 plus a c. So negative 4 times negative 2, it will be positive 8. We now group the like terms. This is how it's going to look like. We are solving for c, lowest common denominator, it's a 3. There is a 1 here, 1 into 3, it's a 3. 3 times 7, that will give us a 21. 3 into 3, 1. 1 times negative 8, it's negative 8, which is equal to a c, okay? So now here, we can say negative 21 minus 8 is giving us a 13. So the value of c is a 13 over 3. So we've gotten this, and we'll get this. We substitute it right here at this point where c is. So we can now say equation of a straight line that we are looking for, which is perpendicular, is equal to y equal to m is a 4, negative 4 over 3x, and our c is a 13 over a 3. 13 over 3. So you can either leave your answer like this, or you can multiply throughout by 3 so that you remain with this as our answer. Okay, this one. Either this or this is okay. Thank you so much for watching. Please share the video in order for you to start receiving more video of this nature. This has been Sichamba Jacob.